Morning all of you. Again I am here after the first lessons, the percentage. Now I am here to teach you about compound interest. This compound interest I have divided into different phases. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, something like that. Why it is so? Because in one lot, uploading the videos is quite difficult for us. So that's why I am going to take some small clips and then I am going to upload the things. During the first phase, I am going to teach you what is actually compound interest, or rather you can say what is the difference between simple and the compound interest, right? First of all, yes, simple interest. About the simple interest, you have come to know in standard 7 that simple interest, finding the simple interest SI is equal to PRT by 100. But what is the meaning of it, and what way it is differ from compound interest, or compound interest what way is differ from simple interest? This is actually one of the chapters of commercial mathematics, as I have told you in the first class only, that commercial mathematics is divided into different chapters, combination of different chapters, and one of the chapters already we have done, and the second chapter, profit and loss, most probably your Sangeeta ma'am has already been finished. Now I am going to start the compound interest. Yes, about the compound interest, first of all, I am going to, this is phase 1. So in compound interest, I am going to teach you the difference between the simple and the compound interest. As for examples, I am going to give the things with some examples, right? So the example is, suppose I have given some loan to two persons. Say suppose that two person has taken a loan of rupees 200 rupees from me. One person has taken the loan on the basis of simple interest, and other person has taken the loan in compound interest. And I have told them to return this particular amount in 2 years. And I am actually given these conditions to that persons. This is person's number A, name of the persons, and this is person's B, name of the second persons. This person has taken the loan on simple interest, SI, and compound interest in short form it is known as CI, compound interest. Now this person has taken the loan from me for 2 years. Now after the first years, what will happen, that we are going to find, say suppose in both the cases I am asking them to pay 10% interest. Because why I am asking them to pay the interest? Because the reason is that with this particular 200 rupees they are going to start certain business, and with that business they are earning some profits with my money. So definitely I am having some, I should get some shares from that particular profit, and that is why this profit is known as the interest. Now the first person has taken me the loan on 10% simple interest, and the second person has taken the loan on 10% compound interest. Now we are going to find the 10% interest of 10% of 200 rupees, and after the calculations I am finding it is coming 200 rupees, 20 rupees, sorry, 20 rupees. 20 rupees. Now what this person will going to do, this 20 rupees, whatever the interest is coming, this 20 rupees he is going to return to me, because it is simple interest. So my loan on that particular person's, again it is 200 rupees, and with this 200 rupees he is going for the second year. This is first year, this is second year. Now again on this 200 rupees, whatever the loan he has taken from me, again I am finding 10% of 200 rupees, which is coming again 20 rupees. Again, these persons will have to return this 20 rupees to me. And the second year has been completed. Now along this 20 rupees, he will have to return this 200 rupees also, because 2 years has been completed. So how much money I am earning from this particular A person? 200 plus 20 plus 20. That is 240 I am getting. So I am getting 40 rupees extra, and this extra is known as the interest. This is known as the simple interest. Now what is happening in case of compound interest? In compound interest, this person's, again the same calculations I will take. Again I am now shifting to the second person's. Initialize the calculations. Again I am finding 10% of 200 rupees. And it is coming 20 rupees. This 20 rupees, because it is compound interest, this 20 rupees of this person will not have to return. This 20 rupees will be there with that particular person's. He told me that no, I will give all the interest together. That is the compound interest. Now this 20 rupees will be added with the principal amount. That is, now it is become 200 plus 20. That is 220 rupees. Now I am finding the 10%, because it is going for the, this is first year, it is going for the second year. Now I am again finding 10% of the principal amount. Current principal amount is 220, because 20 rupees he is not returning. So this one will be coming as, if you are going to take, it will come as how much? 10% of 220. How much will it come? This 00 cancel, which is equal to 22 rupees. Are you getting? This 22 rupees again he will have to keep with him. So how much money till now my money is with him? That one is 200 plus 20, 220, 220 plus 22, which is equal to 242 rupees. Now second year is completed and he will come to me with this 242 rupees. This is the final amount. So I am finding that in case of compound interest, the total amount he is going to give 242 rupees. So how much extra I am earning from this particular person? 242 rupees he is giving, 200 rupees he has taken. So 42 rupees extra I am earning. In case of simple interest, I am earning 40 rupees. Or rather you can say this particular person's point of view, if you are going to think that this particular person facing a loss of 2 rupees as compared to this person's. Because the reason is that time to time he is returning this 20 rupees extra amount. But here in case of the second person's, this 20 rupees he is not returning. This 20 rupees he is actually keeping with him. And this 20 rupees again he is investing for the second year. That's why he will have to pay the interest on 20 rupees again also. So this way, from this person's point of view, he is actually giving 2 rupees extra. You can say, sir, so what, 2 rupees only? No. But my dear students, this is coming from 200 rupees. For starting a business, 200 rupees no one will going to take. At least 2 lakhs or 20 lakhs rupees will require. Then find the difference. Lot of difference will come. So naturally, this particular compound interest is more you can say loss for us. So whenever you are going to take, nowadays maximum persons are actually doing their business or doing their jobs or doing their needness from after taking the loan. So while you are going to take the loan, you should go through the first of all the terms and conditions of the bank. That what the interest they are actually charging on you. If it is simple or compound interest or not, what is the rate of interest, etc., etc. By the way, this is not our business. I am going to teach you that difference between the, first of all, I taught you that difference between the simple and compound interest. So this is actually the basic difference. Now let us enter into the compound interest. In compound interest, yes, formulas are available. Many students are actually solving the first exercise by using formulas. But no, the first exercise are actually based on the problem from the first exercise are actually based on without using formula. Without using formula means step by step you will have to go. First of all, the loan, whatever the loan you have taken, 200 rupees, then the interest you will have to add. How much amount will come? 220 rupees. This 220 rupees will be the principal amount for the second year. And after second year, whatever the amount will come, that is 22 rupees, that is 242 rupees. Suppose this amount will going to be the principal. Suppose if we not going to return the money after second year, then in the third year, this 242 rupees will be the principal amount. So what I want to say that in case of compound interest, the principal amount always being changed. What way it will change? That the last year's amount will be the present year's principal. Right? And second year's amount will be the third year's principal. So this way it will go. And whatever the final amount will come, that amount 242 rupees, this amount minus this principal amount, whatever the initial amount you have taken as a loan, that amount if you subtract, then whatever the extra amount will come, that one is known as the compound interest. Right? This is actually the difference between the simple and the compound interest. Okay? So this is the things. Now this is actually the first phase. In the second phase, I will give you the ideas how to solve the questions based on this particular compound interest. Fine? Okay.